Hello there, I'm Iris, and welcome to Powered by Voice. With over 12 years of work developing leaders and mentoring teen girls, I'm excited to extend my reach by helping you power your voice as a platform, not a performance, so that you are truly seen and heard. Join us. Well, hello, and welcome to Powered by Voice. My name is Iris, and it's good to have you with us today. I think you'll relate to this topic. Let's start with a question. When was the last time you took a selfie? And how many selfies do you think you have on your phone? Go ahead, take a guess. Well, today we're exploring the value of selfies, so let's get powered. Just recently, I got one of those pop-ups on my iPhone informing me that my iCloud storage was almost full and that if I run out of storage, my new photos and all my videos won't be uploaded to the iCloud. So of course, I began to scramble trying to figure out which things I could delete, some of my videos, some of my pictures. But overall, I have 3,000 pictures and over 300 videos on my phone, so this was no small task. That's a lot of content for me, so I decided to explore some questions. What have I captured, and is it worth holding on to? Guess what I discovered? I was duplicating the same pictures at an average of about 10 pictures of each scene, and this part is kind of embarrassing. I took pictures of myself. Yep, lots of selfies. Okay, don't judge me. I'm not posting the pictures, just enjoying the frivolity of striking a pose. I decided to scroll through my digital album, thinking to myself, what was I trying to capture with all this content? What story am I telling, and does it serve my voice? If someone looked through my photo album, what would it say about me and what I value? It's a great exercise. Without doubt, intuitively, we are always creating a personal brand, and hopefully it speaks of our authentic self because our best life is one that is a true reflection of us, and it's not a selfie. So what is the point of the popular selfie? For me, it reminds me that everyday moments help me see my life differently, that we don't have to wait for perfect moments to take a picture. And quite simply, I love to smile, so I capture mine on camera. Yes, all of those things are worth capturing, but still, I continued to ponder, do I really need 10 shots of the same scene with me in it? Probably not. So it was time for some deep spring cleaning. Where do I begin? I thought of Marie Kondo, the organizing guru. She has an interesting method for getting rid of closet clutter. She asks you to take all of your clothes and put them in one big pile in one room. You then pick up and hold an item and ask yourself one simple question. Does this spark joy for me? And if it doesn't, if the answer is no, then you get rid of it on the spot, just like that. Okay, I can do this. I'll just scroll through my closet of images and keep those that bring joy. Well, as you probably guessed, it's easier said than done. Permanently deleting anything makes me think twice. I think to myself, maybe it's easier for me to just click that link to add more iCloud storage instead of managing the storage I already have. Yikes, clutter! I don't want to create clutter, and I know this lesson, right? There's a deeper lesson here. Taking one more picture that will be better than the last one is rooted in perfection. Perfection is performance, and your voice is a platform, not a performance. I say to myself, Iris, just let go of what you have duplicated and embrace the power of owning just one. It's a practice in vulnerability for sure, so I thought, let's practice this power of one thing. I know this means taking one more picture, but it's worth it in this moment. So I took a picture of myself. One picture and looked at it. Nice smile, no makeup, not horrible. Wrinkles on my neck. Wait, let's reframe that. Natural creases on my neck, not bad. I'm seeing myself, which is quite refreshing. The let's take one more picture for good measure thing is an exercise of futility. Sometimes better is not better if you are measuring against a standard that is not your own. That's not picture perfect or joyful if comparison creeps into the picture. Let one be enough. Here's a short story about that. I remember a few years ago, I invited a very accomplished teenager to be a speaker at an annual leadership conference that I produced. She was a 10th grader who was a curator for TED Youth, as well as her CEO of her nonprofit that she founded. And she had traveled the world. The list just went on and on. As I sat in the audience listening to her presentation, I overheard a mom whispering to another mom seated next to her, "My daughter is a C student." Here's what Theodore Roosevelt had to say about comparison. Comparison is the thief of joy. So how do we choose joy over and over? We must learn what showing up for yourself truly means. So let's go beyond our selfies. Try it this week. Turn the selfie lens away from your face and capture something different. Here are a few things you can focus on. Photos make you aware of the good things in life and the importance of sharing those things. Photos give you an opportunity to embrace your everyday life. Find the joy that already exists. Photos help you become a storyteller. It's even an opportunity to capture something that is messy, not just the pretty stuff. Finally, take away the pressure of creating big moments and find those small moments to rest in and smile about it. And as for selfies, go ahead, have fun creating a historical account of your good, bad, and ugly moments. Now that's worth holding on to. So let's reflect using our mantra. 3 simple questions we ask of you. What are your first impressions of today's discussion? How does this make you feel? And what sparked your curiosity? Until next time, ciao for now.